In the early 20th century, as humanity gazed upon the infinite expanse of the cosmos, a question began to brew in the minds of the brightest minds. What if we were not alone? This was the dawn of extraterrestrial life theories. The context was set by the astronomical discoveries of the time. Edwin Hubble's observation of the expanding universe in 1929 suggested that there must be countless galaxies, each teeming with stars, planets, and potentially life. This thought was further fueled by the discovery of a mysterious object in 1950. The object, named 1217A1, was a small, dark body that seemed to move erratically, defying the laws of physics as we knew them. Some scientists speculated that it could be an extraterrestrial probe, sent by an advanced civilization to investigate our solar system. The crisis came in 1960, when the Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite. The success of the launch sparked a sense of urgency in the United States. If the Soviets could reach space, why couldn't they also reach other worlds? The race to space was on, and with it, the race to find extraterrestrial life. In response, the U.S. government founded the Office of Extraterrestrial Affairs in 1951. Its mission was to investigate the possibility of extraterrestrial life and to establish contact if necessary. Meanwhile, Project Azorian, a classified operation, was launched to salvage a mysterious underwater object believed to be of extraterrestrial origin. The action reached its peak in 1967, when the United Nations Outer Space Treaty was signed. The treaty prohibited the placement of nuclear weapons in space and declared that the exploration and use of outer space should be for peaceful purposes only. It was a clear statement that the search for extraterrestrial life was a global endeavor, and that any potential discovery would be shared by all of humanity. The consequences of these events are still being felt today. The search for extraterrestrial life has become a defining aspect of modern astronomy, with projects like SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, and Kepler Space Telescope continuing the quest. Despite no definitive evidence of extraterrestrial life, the theories continue to captivate the imagination and drive the pursuit of knowledge. As we continue to gaze upon the cosmos, the question posed by those early 20th century scientists remains: are we alone in the universe? The answer, it seems, is still waiting among the stars.